Little storyteller.
The colorful Gummy Bear Detective Agency buzzed with friendly chatter. Inspector Gumdrop, a big red gummy bear with a magnifying glass almost as big as his head, adjusted his tiny hat. His assistant, a bouncy yellow gummy bear named Sunny, zoomed around his desk, her little gummy pigtails bouncing. Today something very important was missing. The secret recipe for the ultimate gummy bear. Oh dear, Inspector Gumdrop mumbled, his gummy belly wobbling slightly. The ultimate gummy bear recipe. It's gone. Sunny stopped bouncing. Gone? Who would take it? Inspector Gumdrop tapped his chin with a gummy finger. We have two suspects, Sunny. First, Sticky Sam, the rival candy detective. He's always trying to outsmart us. And second, Professor Crumb, a very smart cookie who loves solving puzzles. Their first stop was Sticky Sam's office, a slightly messy room filled with lollipops and licorice whips. Sticky Sam, a long stretchy licorice stick with googly eyes, was surprised to see them. Inspector Gumdrop, what a sweet surprise, he said, trying to hide a bag of jelly beans behind his back. Inspector Gumdrop looked around carefully. We're investigating a missing recipe, Sam. The ultimate gummy bear recipe. Sticky Sam stretched in surprise. The ultimate gummy bear, why would I want that? I'm a licorice detective. Sunny giggled, noticing a trail of colorful sprinkles on the floor. What are those, Mr. Sam? Sticky Sam looked down. Oh, those, just some, detective dust. He didn't seem to have the recipe. Next they visited Professor Crumb in his cozy cookie laboratory. The air smelled warm and sweet. Professor Crumb, a round gingerbread man with icing spectacles, was surrounded by beakers and bowls. Welcome, Inspector. And little Sunny, what brings you to my humble lab? He asked, his voice a gentle crumble. Inspector Gumdrop explained about the missing recipe. Professor Crumb frowned, his icing eyebrows furrowing. The ultimate gummy bear recipe. That's a very important document. He showed them his latest invention, a machine that sorted cookies by shape. I've been busy perfecting my sorting system. I haven't left my lab all day. He seemed too busy and kind to steal a recipe. Inspector Gumdrop and Sunny returned to their office, feeling puzzled. Where could it be? Sighed Inspector Gumdrop. Sunny suddenly gasped. Inspector, look! She pointed to a trail of tiny colorful gummy bear footprints, leading from the recipe drawer to a box of brand new plain gummy bears in the corner. They opened the box, and there it was. The ultimate gummy bear recipe. Inspector Gumdrop chuckled. It seems our newest gummy bear recruit, Baby Gummy, was just curious about what makes our gummies so special. He must have taken the recipe to try and make his plain friends more exciting. They found Baby Gummy happily trying to mix the recipe ingredients in a small bowl, making a sticky sweet mess. Inspector Gumdrop gently took the recipe and smiled. It's good to be curious, Baby Gummy, he said, but sometimes it's best to ask for help. Sunny added, and sharing ideas and working together is the best way to create something wonderful. Baby Gummy giggled, and they all agreed to make a big batch of ultimate gummy bears together, making sure everyone got to help.
Please subscribe. Thank you.